Mike Roland here with the Roland team at Platinum Real Estate Professionals, and today I want to discuss with you the 4-step proven process when buying a home. At the Roland team, we've been lucky and blessed enough to help over 150 families every year relocate into their perfect dream home, and we're looking forward to doing the same with you. So today I want to discuss at a very high level the 4 steps of the proven process when buying a home. Step 1 is the preparation phase, the most important phase of them all. It's where you actually sit down with your agent to discuss market conditions, strategy, and just overall develop a game plan. This is the most important, but yet the most commonly skipped over step. You really want to sit down, have a chat with your agent, 30-45 minutes, and develop the framework and the foundation of the entire process. Step number 2, this is the fun part. This is the home search phase, when we're actually going out and checking out properties that you might be interested in purchasing. Step 3 is the offering phase. That's when we're actually making offers on properties that you're interested in. And step 4 is what we call contract to close. That is the phase where we get an accepted offer all the way through closing. And those are the 4 steps. Be on the lookout for these next videos that are coming your way in the next couple of days. I'll be discussing them each in great length. My name is Mike Roland with the Roland team.